Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a full tour of my living room to show you guys where I picked all my items up from. So first we're just gonna go ahead and dive right in to the video and start with this rug. So I've done a haul on this rug previously. I actually picked it up from the at-home store. It's a I think it's like a 7 by 10, and it was $100. Yes, at the at-home store. And then here, I've already put my Christmas tree up. So I'm like super excited about Christmas. I love Christmas. So why not go ahead and put the tree up? So down here we have this cute little reindeer. It's from the at-home store. And then here beside it I have this sign that says joy, love, believe, snowflakes, holidays, 'tis the season, jingle, jingle, jingle. And it is from Party City and it was $9.99. So here we have my fireplace. I just have a 65-inch Vizio TV that's mounted to the wall. And then the top here of my mantle, I have these two gold glasses. That's actually from the Goodwill store. And I paid maybe $3 for 4 of them. They were already spray painted gold, so I didn't have to paint that. And then you see here, I also have this garland. It's from Ross. It just came just like regular garland. I actually added the ornaments to them to kind of stuff those flowers in there. And then here you all see that I have these two gold and white stockings. They are from the at-home store and they were $7.99. And then I have these 3 little gift boxes that are actually empty that I decided to put in front of the fireplace. And then over here in this corner, I have this mirror. I've done a haul on this mirror as well in my previous video. Like I said before, if you guys hadn't checked that video out, be sure to check that video out. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. This mirror is actually from the at-home store and it was like $80. And then here I have this gold little wire basket that I carry my throw blankets in. It's from the at-home store as well. And then here I have 2 of these scones that are actually from Z Gallery. And I picked these up maybe 3-4 months ago. I actually picked them up they were on sale. So I actually paid $30 for them. And they're silver. I hope you guys can see it. But they will, I think I'm going to spray paint them gold here in the next few days. And then over here I just have this little gold metal table with a little glass top to it. That's from Burlington. And I have a candle. And then I have this little sculpture as well. And here we just have this cute little ottoman. I don't know where it's from. And I have these 2 gold metal canisters that I picked up from the at-home store, and then just a book and my remote controls. And this does lift up, so I have like more throw blankets and pillows in there. And then here so our sofa is from Cleo's Furniture. Love it. Love, love, love it. And these royal blue pillows are from the at-home store and they were $19. And then the beige pillows actually came with the sofa, including the gold pillow that came with the sofa. I'm going to take these beige pillows off here soon when I find more pillows that I actually like. But for the time being, they're going to stay there. And then the blue actually matches this beautiful canvas that we have back here that we're going to talk about. So the canvas is actually from the at-home store. We paid maybe, I think $80 for it. It also could be hung vertical as well and horizontal, both ways. And then if you all saw my last haul, I did a haul on these accent chairs. They are from Ross. As well as I did a haul on these lamps that are from Walmart. And then this little table here is from TJ Maxx. It's actually new. It was like $80. And I just have the other two gold glasses from the Goodwill store. And then I have this little liquid diffuser that's from Walmart. And then down here, there's a birthday card from my boyfriend. And then I have a candle. And I have a decanter that's under there that has nothing in it. Okay, and then over here, this vase is actually from Burlington. I think it was like $30. I've had that for maybe a year, 2 years. And then these little sticks. I'm not sure where they're from. Maybe Hobby Lobby. Okay. And that is a full tour of my living room, you guys. So I would definitely come back and do a tour of my dining room and my kitchen and laundry room, and then we'll work our way back up the stairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As said before, please like and subscribe this video. And I will be back with more content.